Shaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, friends. Friends, most powerful spell in the world. Agree to boy spell. Agree to boy for love marriage spell. Most powerful spell in the world. For example, the boy is gone by cheating you. The boy is leave you forever. The boy destroy your time, destroy your feeling, destroy your heart. The boy you have been eating money. The boy have blocked you. This talisman is back of boy 7 ocean. Most powerful spell in the world. It is old centuries love talisman. It is a dangerous spell for love. I do black magic on this bone. I do black magic on this bone. Affect the whole world quickly. People from the every country of the world quickly. Affect the whole world quickly. People from the every country of the world make a magic to me. Many people do this procedure. It has an immediate effect. The whole world quickly. I am a black magic astrologist and herbal remedy spellcaster. With my work, you are 100% guaranteed and safe with my spell. I cast the make your spouse come back in for 48 hours following. I am spiritual specialist. I help with all kinds of spiritual problems. So you can contact him. My WhatsApp number +923305919192. Please visit my website www.talismiamliat.com. And this talisman you can order me FIVERR ID link in description. And your problem will solution 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Most powerful spell in the world. For any spiritual problem, for example, love spell, ex-back girlfriend, ex-back boyfriend, ex-back wife, ex-back husband, money spell, marriage spell, court case spell, ex-back love spell, good luck spell, separation spell, divorce spell, lottery spell, cast out court spell, promotion in work spell, protection spell, voodoo spell. Most spell, all the skill of the word spells. So if you want to do this work me, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. How to use it, how to make a talisman, For example, you are a boy, you are a girl, agree to boy. Your name bin your mother name, boy name bin boy mother name. How to use it, this talisman? Make it talisman with names and tie it around your neck. Second, make a talisman. Tie it to tree. So please visit my website, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Share my video on your friends. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.